How many times greater is the Earth's diameter compared to the diameter of a grain of sand? And here we're given the diameters. Sand is 1 times 10 to the negative 3 meters. Earth's diameter is 1 times 10 to the 7th meters. So we want to know how many times greater is the Earth to the sand. So we're going to put the Earth as the numerator. So 1 times 10 to the 7th meters. And we're going to compare that to the grain of sand. 1 times 10 to the negative 3 meters. So let's read the question again, make sure this is set up properly. How many times greater is the Earth's diameter, so the Earth is here, compared to the diameter of a grain of sand? Okay, now this is a simple division problem. When you're dividing scientific notation, you divide the numbers in front first. 1 divided by 1 is 1, and then it's going to be times 10 to some power. And it's 7 divided by negative 3. And when you're dividing powers, you subtract the exponents. So the exponent is going to be 7 minus negative 3, which is the same as 7 plus 3, which is 10. Okay, so let's write that number out. That's going to be a 1 with 10 zeros after it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how do you say this number? This is the hundredths, this is the thousands, this is the millions, and this is the billions. So it's 10 billion times greater. So the Earth's diameter is 10 billion times greater than the diameter of a grain of sand. Oh, and that's this number right here. So let's verify using the calculator. So we're going to divide 1 times 10 to the 7th, so that's 1, and then we'll look for that EE button, which is right there. 1e7. That means 1 times 10 to the 7th. Then divided by 1, there's the EE button again, 1e negative 3. That's 1 times 10 to the negative 3. 1e10, 1 times 10 to the 10th, and that's what we had right here. So we can be very confident that that is the correct answer, 10 billion times greater.